Hello, I'm Joel from Victor Floorcare and I'm going to be talking to you this morning about the Hyperglide 350. So the Hyperglide 350 is designed to replace mopping on hard floors and also to clean carpets. We're all familiar with areas which are too small for a scrubber dryer but are large enough to need something faster and more effective than a mop. Because let's admit it, a mop is not really abrasive enough to lift the dirt out of the floor, and also you tend to end up moving the dirty water around the floor. So the Hyperglide 350 is light, it's very simple to use, and it's very fast. The reason it is so light and simple to use is because it's got a pair of brushes on the bottom which go round 1,000 times a minute. Now these brushes do all the work for you. Because the brushes are a cylindrical shape, they attack the floor in a downward motion and really lift the dirt. Then as you're moving along, the dirty water gets put into a tank so that the floor is being dried as well as giving it a really deep scrub. This machine's a battery machine with an hour's run time and an hour-half charge time, which means you don't need to worry about cables, you can crack on and get on with the job. You've also got a release trigger here to release the water, and you simply press the pedal down here to turn the machine on, and hey presto, off you go. As you can see, I use the machine both on carpets and hard floors. This is a very flexible machine, meaning that you're going to be able to get as much return and as much use of this machine as possible. The machine also comes in a mains version, so you've got that option as well. And I think if you're looking for a scrubber dryer to replace mopping, that's going to be easy for your team to transfer to. The quick, easy and simple to use Hyperglide 350 is the choice for you. If you'd like to know any more about this or any other product in the Victor range, email us at sales@victorfloorcare.com or contact your local Victor distributor.